Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable auto delete in Google Messages. So first I just want you to tap on the Google Messages icon to get through and it's maybe a different one with the iPhone users, I don't know. So let's just tap on it, and here I want you to go into your Google picture profile or your Google profile on the top right corner, that one, and tap on it. Yeah, so once you tap on it, there are different options that you can get through. So let's see, or let's look for the three last options, and between them we will see messages settings. So tap on message settings, and here you will find an option that I don't have because I have a problem on my app. So I just sent my report to the support of Google, and it will be fixed soon. And that doesn't mean that I will not show you the solution of how to enable auto delete in Google Messages. So here I got some pictures of it. So on you will have a message organization just here. Yeah, I guess it will be placed right here between your current country option and choose them. So once you tap on message organization, you will they will send you to that window, and here you can enable the auto delete OTPs after 24 hours. You just need to tap on that icon or that thing, and to turn it on, and yeah, that's how you can enable auto delete in Google Messages. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and bye bye, see you next video.